It's the last of the summer subscriptions. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is Boxy versus Ipsy, August 2022. If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you every week to help give your look a kiss. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, share, comment down below. I'm actually about to do a video with your comments, so that's gonna be a lot of fun, and I told you I was gonna get to them. Y'all just wait and see. So it is August, it is our last subscription of summer. I guess we're gonna call this our back to school. Are they gonna call this the back to school? Probably not. That's probably next month. So this is our last of the summer. Truth be told, I don't really have a challenge for this month. I just want a product I can fall in love with. You know what I mean? Like, I've gotten some great products over the last couple months, but just something I can be like, yes, this is the thing. This is what I need. So, let's go. We are going to start with our Ipsy bag. Okay, and both of these subscription boxes from both Boxy Charm and Ipsy Glam Bag are in the $30 tier. I do the monthly base box from Boxy Charm, and then the second tier from Ipsy, the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So both of our subscriptions are going to include 5 full-size products. This bag is so cute. I have a backdrop that looks like this somewhere. It's summer. I think I used it all of like twice. Back in the beginning of the YouTube. Go check those videos out. Like, they're probably cringy at this point. But in any case, I like this bag. So cute. This is definitely one I'm gonna keep reusing. Yes, I do reuse the bags. I actually just organized a bunch of drawers, and these bags have been awesome for it. So what do we have? So our August 2022 from Ipsy Glam Bag, their theme is Hotel Paradise. Warm breezes, lush landscapes, major glow. This month, check into a vacay state of mind. Hello, massages and matching petties. Unwind and go ahead and order room service. Can I order room service here in the salon? Great, awesome, I'm gonna get right on that. So cute. I actually really like where they're going this month. I like this kind of self-care that they're promoting this month. The mindful awareness, slow down and observe yourself without judgment. Y'all, I have to do that a lot. Reconnect to your routine, spend some time enjoying each step. Okay, yeah, enjoy your skincare routines and the finishing touches. Unwind with a bath. Did you send bath moms? You want me to take a bath? Minimize screen time. Ipsy said it, not me. So, first product in the bag is our Dew of the Gods Frosé Royal Face Wash. So I kind of cheated. I went ahead and tried this product before this video because I was like, I gotta wash my face. I gotta like show you guys this lather that this thing is working with. This is a squalane cream facial cleanser. I don't know what that means, but it's a really, OMG, so cute. This packaging is everything. Look at how gay this packaging in a good way. I like it. It is fun. I love the holographic bits. But this like consistency is just, it is fun. And I love the smell. It's very rosé. It's very fresh. I might be falling in love with this just on packaging alone, and because I tried it and like liked it. It didn't leave my skin overly dried out. It was fresh. It felt moisturized. It felt elastic. I loved it. So what is the next thing we need after now we have washed our face? We are going to go with the Blemish Soothing Moisturizer by Dr. Zanovi. So since my face is clean, this is oil-free hydration to soothe redness on acne-prone skin. Hello, let's go. Ooh, it's lotiony. A lotiony moisturizer. Very fresh. Smells like, has a specific aroma. Like you know, like a relative's lotion or something. It just smells like really familiar to me, but I like it. It's very lightweight. Hormonal dermatology. You know what? That's probably what's going on here. It's like a hormonal thing, so maybe this is a product. We're gonna go on a couple dates. This one before we fall in love. Right, plum eye patches. I'm going with the eye patches first. Here we go. Check out this amazing pink packaging. Ah! Matchy. Cute, all right. We got a little spatula. Got a little, see, ooh, there's one stuck on there. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna do one eye with the gel and one eye with the cream. So, woo. Ooh, there is a lot of product on these. That is awesome. Not a ton of fragrance, love that. There is, wow, there is so much product on this. I got like right up in my eye. Wow. That is a big eye patch. I'm like, this is like, I mean, I like this. I might fall in love with it just because it's like, I don't know. We'll see how it feels when it comes off, but I love this packaging. Okay, so next up we have Biro New York Truffle Eye Serum. Wow. It's a very interesting tip on there. Let's give it a shot. Super lightweight. Go. I don't know, it's an eye cream. Maybe. I don't know. It's not sticky, and I do like that. I do like that it's not sticky. It is very like, a very light eye product without being like, hey, I'm gonna prime you for stuff. So that's nice. And last up from Ipsy, we have Jessica Blanc Liquid Concealer. Let's see, vegan-friendly, cruelty-free, banged-up packaging. This is 1.0. All right, cute little product. Ooh, that is really liquidy. It's my shade. Oh, that's some coverage though. Okay, I was a little concerned at just how liquidy this concealer was coming out of the packaging, but it actually goes on very creamy. And I think this would set well with powder. Like, I'm feeling good about this concealer. Like, the tiniest little drop there really went. Am I about to cover a tattoo? Okay, but actually, that's not bad. That is a tiny drop of concealer. We're getting some really good coverage with this. A couple like sets and layers, I feel like I could actually like cover my tattoo with this. Great, awesome. Okay, so far from the Ipsy box. Okay, I'm gonna say I love love right now. Like, Dew of the Gods are Gen Skin eye patches. This concealer by Jecca Black. What did I say earlier? Jecca Black. Right. Jecca Black. Yes. 3 out of 5. I could see myself being in a. Oh, we're gonna go on some dates with this guy too. So 4 out of 5 products have really piqued my interest from Ipsy this month, and I'm kind of looking forward to playing with them. The eye serum, I'm like, I don't know. Maybe. I like that it's not sticky, but it's an eye serum, so I don't know. Maybe. Let's break into Boxy. So, this month, Boxy is saying the theme is Dusk Till Dawn. Okay, wow. Here we go. What are we working with? Well, first item in hand, we're gonna try it on. It's the Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Cream, brightening and firming. Okay. This packaging is so cute. Ah, look at it. I love that. Okay, let's try out this Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol. I am out of retinol, so I'm excited about this. Ooh, that's thick. Very thick consistency on this one. And melt she does. Okay, very buttery product, if we can say buttery. Yeah, eye cream. Yeah, I mean, I just kind of feel like I just rubbed smushed avocado on my face. Mostly I'm in love with the packaging on this, so that's like, okay, all right. I don't know, maybe we'll see some added benefits soon. I don't know, we'll go on some dates. So next up, we have the Natasha Denona, it's on the packaging too, Cupid palette. Guys, there are a few things more disappointing. I did like open this up to take B-roll. It is so disappointing to receive a broken palette, and it just is what it is. I'm sure that was a lovely shade. I'm gonna try this guy down at the bottom. Are you supposed to be oxide or clove? I don't know which way we're going here. Monroe Shell? I don't know. Cool. It's mauve. I'm not even gonna look at the other shades because I'm sad. I'm sad. Bummer. We broke up before we even got started. Next up is the Aesthetica. Companies, please make your products easier to pronounce for us slack-jawed yokels. Starlight highlighter. I am sweating, so let's put on highlighter. I'm gonna be so shiny. Ooh. Okay. She's cute. Ooh. That actually is a really nice highlighter, and I do like, it's heavy. It's a nice heavily pigmented, like a mineral compacted powder. I like this. Colored Cosmos Sparkling Rose Gold. Yeah, it is. Okay. Alright. Got a little rebound product happening. They also sent this month 2 Luxie all-purpose beauty blenders, little sponges. Always love getting more makeup sponges. Last up in our BOXYCHARM base box this month is the Beauty for Certain Deluxe Lipstick. Cool, so let's try on this lipstick. It's a pretty nude shade. No. Looking at it, I thought it would have a little bit more of like a, I don't know, I was hoping for more of a pinkish undertone, but like the packaging, this is like, it's weird, it's orangey. I don't know about that. So let's tally the 2 up. From Boxy this month, I could see getting behind the Glow Recipe Avocado Retinol. I do need to use retinol again. So okay, we're gonna try to fall in love with this guy. And the Aesthetica highlighter, I did like this product a lot. And I feel like this is one I might actually use pretty often. The one I've been using has a little bit of glitter in it, and I don't always want glitter. So we might try this guy out. Okay, 2 out of 5 for Boxy this month. Whereas our Ipsy bag, our Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, delivered 4 products I am totally in love with that I can come out of summer, out of these humid months, and my skin is gonna go into fall and be like, okay, we can relax a little bit. Cool. The Biro, I'm probably saying that wrong. Yeah, Biro, New York Truffle Eye Serum. Jury's kind of out on it. It's an eye serum. It kind of hurt me to use it, I'm sure, but it's probably not a product I'm gonna reach for very often. So, for August 2022, Ipsy Glam Bag takes the cake. This bag, so cute. Absolutely love this. Can't wait to use it. So thank you guys so much for joining me for another monthly installment of our Boxy versus Ipsy challenge. This was the August 2022 edition. If you're liking what you're seeing, you can follow me on social media, Facebook and Instagram. Give your hair a kiss. Check me out at giveyourhairakiss.com. While you're there and happen to find yourself in the New York City area, you can book an appointment with me. Kiss here in the kissing booth. We will have a great time. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, do the whole kit and caboodle. And until next week, guys, give your hair a kiss.